concepts of solving linear equation of two variables by cross multiplication method. Let us consider a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 be two linear equations of two variables, and we want to find the value of x by cross multiplication method. If we want to write the value of x, leave the coefficient of x in both the equation and take cross multiplication from b1c2 minus b2c1, and in denominator it will be a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Denominator will not change, only numerator will change. Similarly, we want to find the value of y, so we leave the coefficient of y, and now we have c1a2 minus c2a1. Alternatively, suppose we want to find the value of x by cross multiplication method, then we leave the coefficient of x and start to write the coefficient of y, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now, we want to find the value of y, so leave the coefficient of y, so c1, c2, a1, a2, and now it is coefficient of constant term 1, a1, a2, b1, b2. So from 3 and 5 we have x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So from 3rd and 5 we have x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 a by divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. In this way, by cross multiplication method, we have already determined the value of x and y. Now, I want to solve the problem of exercise 3.5 of book NCERT. What is given in this problem? What is the instruction given in this problem? Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by cross multiplication method. This is important. Now, problem is x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. So now given equations, x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. By comparing the coefficient of this equation from standard form, we have a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 3, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 9, and c2 is equal to minus 2. What is the value of a1 by a2 here? 1 by 3. b1 by b2 here? 1 by 3. And c1 by c2 here? 3 by 2. So since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, therefore the system has no solution. Now, it is for your observation. No need. It has no need. But I want to check. Here x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 and a1 b2 minus a2 b1. By putting the value of the coefficient of x and y in constant term, we have x is equal to minus 27 by 0. That the value of x doesn't exist. Similarly, the value of y doesn't exist. No need of this step. Only you have to solve a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to not c1 by c2. Therefore, the system has no solution. For your observation, we here find the value of x and y by cross multiplication method, so that you can feel in this case if the solution has no solution, then the value of x doesn't exist, value of y doesn't exist. My dear students, in this way you can solve this problem. Thank you very much.